Yeah, so that's going to be one hell of a machine. It is absolutely tearing through steel way faster than a grinder actually, and whatever has a lot of has a lot of versatility. I'm going to show you the other attachments for wheels and that. So this one is very handy, yeah, for doing the curves and whatever. Just going in and straight, doing a 90. You could. This yoke is handy with the the rest or the table on it there. You could also just you could get rid of the table altogether for this attachment if you wanted to. You can maybe tilt it 45 degrees, 30 degrees, or whatever you want to the table. You could tilt the table as well, whatever, going like that. I don't know. You have a lot of variability there, and it is a handy, simple device. Tearing through material, but it's vibrating this. So I'll give you my first impressions of this linisher from VEVOR. Um, Again, it's handy, single phase unit, suits my small operation here. It's one of those machines that you don't need, but really completes a workshop. You can't be doing all this grinding with a angle grinder. Your arm will be broke. As I said, the build quality is way better than I actually imagined. There's very heavy, thick steel tube in there. This is some stocks. This is a solid piece of steel here as well, and any bits of plate or that is at least 10 mil, if not 20, if not 12 mil there. And again, just very simple, easy to maintain, easy to adjust. Great machine, absolutely great machine, and it plugs into your standard wall 240 volt plug. So it's beautiful. I'm going to show you the other attachments, but I will be making some sort of a stand or welding up some sort of a thing to mount this on and take away all that vibration, make it very sturdy and permanent, so I can just go around. It'll probably be in the middle of the workshop or middle of the wall in the workshop, so from any angle you just walk over and give something a bit of a rub. That's kind of what you'd be at. So yeah, gorgeous. I'm going to show you the different attachments for it and just the different use cases for it. I actually have this rig up with the flat attachment here, but I'm going to try out the big wheel and the small wheels, because these small wheels are going to be unreal for notching. I'll be able to notch tube, square tube and round tube, I'd say, but notch tube with these instead of some sort of other notcher. And they sit into this. Whatever, I'll show you that in a minute. But that. That much, and then a bit of slack down a bit. Tighten it up, and put the tape through it. Give it a few turns, and we can adjust it on this side. Adjust it over here. This wing nut. turn out of it. Turn it actually a bit more. That seems to be good, so I'll try and tighten that up there. Now that looks like a completely different machine to me. Transforms it entirely, and that's just two of the attachments. So yeah, big wheel, it's for taking off a lot of material off big plates and that, and gives you a bit more leeway in terms of getting the edges and chamfers of everything. Instead of a flat plate, you kind of have to be using flat material. With the big curve just kind of means you can run anything along that, you know, and find the point on the belt. Give it a rub. I'm going to throw these on as well, just to see myself and to show you, and that's about it. Yeah, and this thing mounted, test it all out, but that is that. We can put this insert in. So let's say I'll put it on the fire. This is right now. This is probably just for the big wheel. So we'll try that in there. Put that in. There's the time. Adjust this again. Very quickly from VEVOR, and their website has all sorts of stuff for your workshop. Welders, plasma cutters, saws, everything. I haven't gotten many things off of them yet, but I did buy this magnet a couple of years back. You can see their logo on it there as well. And that's just for picking up plates of steel and whatnot. You can kind of turn on this magnet manually and then lift it up. You can get bigger ones for heavier plates and that. But I want my, yeah, that seems very low. Anyway, I want my horizontal piece here to be about that height. tabs here for 2 bolts, but these holes are just a little bit too small for the M12 bolts that I have. I could do M10, but again, might as well go stronger if I can, rather than light. That's absolutely perfect. That actually looks smashing. Floating there, nothing underneath. Can put probably put a bucket to catch the iron shavings. But yeah, that actually looks superb. Now that's all for this video. If you need anything for your workshop, your house, or DIY projects, make sure to head to VEVOR.com and see what they have for you.